Hi, my name is Shibon and I welcome you to Vedantu Masterclasses. And this is a special class on integration by parts rule. And we are going to learn this one of the most important topic of integration. I believe you guys will be you guys will get most of the benefit of this topic from this masterclass. Okay, so let's get started. The first question comes that what is by parts rule, right? So integration by parts rule is simply the product rule for integration. So when I have product of two function in integration, I can use this rule. For example, the equation will be in this form, integration uv dx. So we will now see that what is exactly the rule is. Okay, I will try to simplify this rule as much as possible. So the question says that the rule says that integration uv dx is equals to u, then integration v dx, then minus again u dash, this time is u dash, that is the derivative of u, and integration v dx whole integration means the integration of this entire product. Okay, it's a little bit complicated rule it seems, but it is very easy. And to make it more easier, what I have done, I have simplified the 5 steps for it. Okay, to solve this question, the first step is to choose u and v. That is the most important stage, and I will later help you out that how to choose the u and v here. Okay, that's very important. So the first step is to differentiate u. So you have to differentiate u. Once you have done with this is my u, this is my v. Okay, integrate v, separately do those things, put them together into the formula. The formula is u integration v dx minus u dash integration v dx whole dx, and simplify and solve. Okay, so this is the case I have to do. Okay, so let's see a question here. So first step is to do, say the question is x e to the power x dx. Okay, simple question I have chosen. So the first step is to choose u and v. There one rule is very much helpful. The rule is called isolate. Okay, this is the rule to choose u. What comes first? That is my u. So I stands for inverse trigonometrical function, L stands for logarithmic function, A stands for algebraic function, and T stands for trigonometrical function, and E stands for exponential function. So out of them, whichever comes first will be my U and other function will be my V. Okay. So here what I have an algebraic function and exponential function. So algebraic function comes first, so that will be my U, and exponential function comes later, it is my V. Okay, so first step I will choose u is my x and v is my e to the power x. So I am done with the first step. Second step is to differentiate u. So what is the differentiation of u? Differentiation of x is 1, right? And integration v dx is going to be e to the power x, because e to the power x don't change itself. So now I will put uv dx because I have considered them as uv. Then I will write down this formula. This formula is already written here. So in this formula I will just put these values. Okay, so u integration x integration v dx, that is our e to the power x minus we have u dash. So u dash is 1 into e to the power x dx. Pretty simple. What I have done, this u is x, this integration vx is e to the power x, I have that value already, right? And then minus integration u dash, that is my 1, this is my 1, and into integration v dx, again e to the power x dx. Okay, so finally if I simplify it, now the next step is to simplify it, and if I need I have to solve it further. Okay, so I get x e to the power x minus integration e to the power x dx. What is the integration of e to the power x? It is e to the power x, right? And I have to add a plus c. What is plus c? Plus c is the nothing but the integrating constant. So moral of the story is to choose the I and V. That is very important, that you choose proper U and V, and the rule that I have to follow is known as isolate. I believe this small class is helpful for you. Okay, so thank you for joining Vedantu. Thank you for choosing Masterclass of Vedantu.